You want to start your online taxi business? Then this is the best video for you. Watch till the end. In this video, we are going to discuss our latest taxi business idea and how you can increase your taxi business up to 90%. So watch this video till the end. This is our latest InDrive clone taxi plus courier app in one. So let's check out the application to understand the business model, because it is having taxi and courier in one. So you get more earning because customer can book taxi like Uber, Ola, InDrive and courier like Motor in one application. And that is how a customer can easily log in by mobile number OTP. In the latest version, a customer can also log in by email ID OTP. So that is how customer can log in. Let's log in now. Enter the phone number. And now you will receive a OTP. Enter that. And that's how easily a customer can log in by mobile number OTP without any issue. And now he will give the location permission. So the application can show the data as per location. And that is how the app looks. It will automatically take your live location. And now we have two options, transport or delivery. Transport means a customer wants to go from one place to other, and delivery means a customer wants to get delivered item. And this is the driver app. A driver can easily register. Driver can be anyone who has a taxi, who has a pickup vehicle, anyone who wants to give services on your platform. Driver can also easily register by mobile number OTP like this. As you can see, transport and delivery, both features are changeable. So customer can choose any of them. He can choose transport or he can choose delivery. If he choose transport, that means taxi services. And if he choose delivery, that means courier services like Porter, where he can get his parcel delivered from one location to another location. And that is how the two features in one app is working. A customer can also call to the customer care number. If you talk about more features inside the application, by the sidebar, you can see the history, completed orders, cancelled orders, upcoming orders. You can also make complaint for any issue. You can choose the complaint point and you can write the complaint. This complaint will directly go to the admin. You can also see your cancelled booking. Admin can charge fee for the cancellation for bookings. From here, you can see notifications. From here, you can see wallet. A customer can recharge his wallet by using payment gateways like Stripe, Paystick, Razorpay, and Cashfree we have. For more, you can directly contact our team to understand more about the app. The number is showing on the screen. A customer can also transfer money from one user to another, just like Paytm. You can transfer the amount from your wallet to any other user wallet. And now let's log in the driver application and understand the more features inside the application. And that's how a driver can easily log in by mobile number OTP. So in this application, you are getting a user app like this and a driver app like this. And that is how a driver can be online or offline. If it's online, he will not get any inquiry. If he is online, he will get the inquiry. So driver need to be online to get inquiries. Here the driver can see today's earning, weekly earning and reports and much more. A driver can also see different language. User can also see multiple languages like English, French, Spanish, Hindi. A lot of languages we have. We can also add more languages as per your requirement. A driver can also see the referral option. He can refer app to another people and earn money. A driver can also see his wallet transactions. He can also recharge his wallet if he wants to. So this is a complete ready to launch taxi application plus courier delivery in one. You can also disable courier if you don't want to use it right now, but the application is having taxi and courier in one application. And now let's understand how the booking works. choose a pickup and a drop location. Like this, you can drag on the map, zoom in and zoom out and use the map as per the Google Maps. And you can choose your pickup and drop location. You can also search a particular drop location like this. Right now, I'm searching Agra, so it automatically show me all the famous location or my history as per Agra. I can also search particular location. Now I click on confirm and now I enter the detail of receiver person, enter the name, number and instruction. Click on confirm, confirm, and now you can see all the available vehicles. It can have as many vehicles as are registered on the platform. And now let's see how the multi-route is working. So you can have more than one destination for your courier like this. For example, you want to give the same parcel to two parties. Like you want to give Agra, then you want to go it to Delhi. So that is how it will show. The map has been created from the first location, then Agra, then Delhi. You can also see if I change the second and third location, the map has changed. So that is how multi-stop is working in courier delivery in our ready-made multi-taxi plus courier application FareRide Pro. So if you want to start your app like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you the best. And that is how you can see different vehicles and their prices. You can choose cash on delivery, online payment or card payment. You can also add a coupon code if you have any discount code available. Now you can choose the goods type, what type of product you are sending. It is a material, it is a liquid, it is a chemical, it is wood, what is the product category. You can also enter a particular number so we can make sure that that is the particular number going. And now is the best feature of giving the fare estimate to driver. You are telling the driver how much price you want to go for this booking. And that is how the driver will get the booking. And now the driver can give his offer. So here you will see the estimated price by the platform. And now you can give your offer. Now the driver receive and the driver can give his offer. A customer can receive multiple people offer and he can choose the offer that he likes. And that is how a driver gets an offer and a customer accepts the offer. And now your offer has been accepted. So the driver will get the user booking detail. He can chat with the customer like this for any issue. A customer can also have a chat with the driver for anything. If you want to share your ride details to any of your friends and family, you can share it like this. You can just directly share on WhatsApp your ride detail and they will get to know where your product is exactly. If you are having on taxi, they can see where your taxi is exactly. It is for the safety features like this. They can see the live tracking of the order. It is a safety feature for taxi, and for courier, you can use it to track your parcel, where it is right now and what is the status of the booking. In the courier delivery, you can send it to your clients who you are sending the parcel to, and in the taxi, you can send it to your friends and family for safety and security issues. And like this, you can see the exact location of the driver and the booking status. The red flag showing here is the location of the driver. And now let's go ahead and understand more about the application. And now the driver will click on arrive, and that is how the driver has arrived to the location. And now he will load the product from your location. He will ask the OTP from the customer app and upload the proof like this. And now he will pick up the product from your location and drop it to the receiver location. That is how the courier delivery or the parcel delivery is working. Now he has reached to the receiver location. He will upload the proof and click on upload. And that is how the courier or parcel delivery is working. And now he will take a signature from the receiver. Like this, he can take a signature from the receiver, and that is the proof of delivery. And that is how the parcel delivery is working in our InDrive clone latest Taxi Plus Courier application. And now he can take cash or online payment and he can confirm the payment. And that is how the customer can also give a 5-star rating to the driver, and the driver can give a rating to the customer. And that is how the InDrive clone latest application Courier Plus Taxi is working with complete ready to launch module. You can also book a taxi like this. Choose pickup and drop location. It will show all the available vehicle and make a booking. So it is a ready to launch taxi plus courier plus bidding application. So if you want to start your own taxi business, this is the best application for you. We will give you complete application with your branding, Android user app, driver app, admin, iOS user app, driver app, 1 year free technical support, complete source code, live tracking, online payment. For more, kindly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your own application like InDrive Taxi Plus Courier Plus Bidding today and increase your taxi business revenue. For more, kindly watch all the videos. I'll see you in the next video. Tronics, making world online.